This is what my face is looking like right now. The acne has reduced to an extent, even though I still have like a little bit of black spots. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. Yes, and today's video is like an update video. Yes, some weeks back I made a video talking about tips to take note of when starting to use retinol, and in that video I also mentioned that I was going to incorporate retinol into my skincare routine. Yeah, so this is me coming to update you guys on how it has been so far. Yeah, so I got the tretinoin cream 0.05%, and today makes it exactly 3 months since I've been using tretinoin in my skincare routine, and it's been a roller coaster, guys. Like, it's been a roller coaster. Let's just quickly go right into the video. When I started tretinoin, I remember in that video, if you've seen the video, you know I said that you should always expect purging when you are starting to incorporate retinol in whatever form, whether the tretinoin or retinol. When you're starting to incorporate it into your routine, you should always expect purging. But I'm telling you, like, there's no way, no matter how you mentally prepare yourself for this purging, when the purging hits you, it's only the strong-minded that can actually persevere and continue to use tretinoin. I think especially if you never battled with acne. Like me, I didn't have acne, I didn't have nothing. I just wanted to incorporate tretinoin. I wanted to incorporate retinol into my skincare routine for the other benefits that I stand to gain, I stand to enjoy by incorporating it into my skincare routine. So like I said, I didn't have any skin concern. I just wanted to incorporate retinol into my skincare routine for a more okay. Yes, I did have hyperpigmentation, just a little bit of hyperpigmentation. That was like the only issue I had. That was like the only skin issue I had. I didn't have like acne or nothing. I had hyperpigmentation. I also had smile lines that is not even really visible, only like if I wear makeup or something. That was the issue I had. But then when I started using retinol, I started purging, like I started breaking out. And when I say breaking out, I mean breaking out. Even though I had prepared myself that okay, you are definitely going to break out, you're definitely going to purge. What I was expecting, my own definition of purging was not what I got. The kind of purging I was expecting was okay, I was going to have dry skin, I was going to have like flakiness and all that. I wasn't expecting to have acne. And when I say acne, I mean acne everywhere on my face, like acne. It was crazy. And even though I didn't even use it like back to back, like I stated earlier, I got the 0.05%, which is like there's still like a lower dose of tretinoin. There's 0.025. I couldn't get that, and so I went for 0.05% of the tretinoin, and I didn't use it every time. I used it like after every 3 nights. Yes, after every 3 nights. And I was even using the sandwich method. So if you don't know what the sandwich method is, the sandwich method is when you after cleansing your face, you allow your face to dry. You allow your face to dry and then you moisturize. After moisturizing, you leave your face to dry, and then you use your tretinoin or your retinol, and then you leave it to dry, and then you go in again with another layer of moisturizer. So that was the method I was using, and I started breaking out. I was surprised, like, okay, I wasn't expecting acne, I wasn't expecting pimples. I was just expecting that probably my skin would just get dry, peeling off and all that. And people started complaining. Everybody around me were like, "Why is your face rough? What's wrong with you?" It's also very, very mental. It can take a toll on someone mentally when your face was so good, and people that don't really understand the concept of tretinoin, they're like, "What's wrong with you? Why are you breaking out? What cream are you using? Are you sure you won't stop this cream?" And I keep telling them, "Don't worry, just trust the process. Just trust the process. Just." It got to a point I wanted to stop. Like, who sent me? I had a nice skin. I had a nice skin. Who sent me? Who sent me? But I still like, because I'm very stubborn. I have strong head. I still continue to use it. Even though at some point I had to change the method. Like, I started earlier, I was using the sandwich method at first, but then I now changed. I decided to like mix it with my moisturizer, because I found out that mixing it with your moisturizer also helps to like reduce the potency of the tretinoin cream. So what I did was, after washing off my face, I go in with my tretinoin, I put it on my palm, a little bit of the tretinoin cream, and then my moisturizer, and then I mix it. That way, it reduces the potency of the tretinoin cream, and then I use it, like I apply it on my face. So I noticed that like after a month it was so bad, the purging was crazy. 2 months the purging was still crazy. But then today is exactly 3 months that I started using the tretinoin, and this is what my face is looking like right now. The acne has reduced to an extent, even though I still have like a little bit of black spots, which I think is as a result of me picking the acne. And guys, I realized something, it's not easy. I'm one of the person that used to preach. I'm one of those people that used to preach, never pick on your acne, never pick on it. And I used to live by it. I used to always abide by it. I never picked my acne, because then I just used to have maybe one or two, and I would never touch it till it like dries up or goes on its own. But once it is very plenty, you will start seeing white edge, you start seeing the acne popping, and you will know when you start like popping it out yourself, start bringing it out yourself. So I think that is what leads to my dark spots. But generally, like, what I want to say, the essence of this video is, if you are starting to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine, you are definitely going to purge. You might be one of the lucky few that won't have acne. You might just be experiencing dryness and peeling. But if you are going to be experiencing acne, just trust the process. Trust me, and trust the process, and just continue. Just continue. Just know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and this is just 3 months, and my skin is still not even, my skin used to be better than this. But I know that I'm still going to come and give a 6 months update. Yes, I'm still going to come and give a 6 month update. I'm very sure that by the time I use it for up to 6 months, it's going to be like a very, very, like, my skin is going to be very nice by then. I'm very sure. Fingers crossed. So yes, this is my 3 months on tretinoin, and it's not been bad. It's not been bad at all. I just wanted to come and give a quick update on my tretinoin journey. And I'd like to know, did you incorporate tretinoin, and what has been your journey so far? How has it been so far? Was it very smooth for you? Because there are some people that they didn't even experience any purging at all, like maybe just slight peeling, and the next, probably in a week, it was gone, and they are enjoying the tretinoin. Or are you really purging? What has the experience been for you so far? Are you just trying to incorporate and you're like very scared, you don't know what to do? Let me know in the comment section. And that is going to be all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video.